So this is number 5. This is number
6.
So just carry on going. Anybody watching this is going to be a very good example what Scott obviously did. Now you got two options there. You go forward, and obviously if it's safer to move over to the left lane. But what if it's not safe? What would you do then? So I would like you to follow the road ahead at the next roundabout. Second exit please towards services.
Just realised what I've done.
So in this situation, what's the best thing you can do right now?
Just follow the path.
How would you gonna go to services now?
So once follow into that lane, but signal.
What if you don't get? Look how many cars over there.
Yep.
What other safe thing you can do?
Just follow the exact path that I'm on.
So I would just go around a roundabout.
Okay.
Let's try that, shall we?
Yep.
So if this has happened, it's fine. Don't need to panic at all. Just signal to the right here. I mean, you can try to change your lane, but this is better for the learners as well. So yeah.
Yep.
So let's try this as well. Okay. So let's count the exits, please. Yeah.
Yep. So 1.
Now, don't worry about changing your lane. We can change your lane, but it's good experience for you, okay?
Yep. That's number 2.
That's number 2. So this is your
Number 3.
number 3. So we're staying in this lane, yeah?
Number 4.
Where is number 4?
There.
No, that's number 3. We don't
3.
count one way. This is your number 4. So stay in this one here. Yeah, just keep going to services, isn't it?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, think about it.
Yep.
Staying in this lane, yeah?
Yep.
So this is number 5. This is number
6.
So just carry on going. And after this, what would you do now? Mirrors and signal. Now, I made you do this. At least if this is happening in your exam, you don't get confused. But like he's doing, so if you get chance, you can change over.
Yep.
But what you don't want, as you're gonna move over, you're gonna keep that van stopped over there. You can't do that in your exam.
Okay.
So you only want to go if somebody give you the way or you feel safe. Yeah, but I want to talk to you about more about this in a minute. Okay.
Yep.
Let's talk about the M65 roundabout.
Yeah.
Now, I did say to you the next roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit towards services. Now, we're going to break it down though, yeah?
Yeah.
And very important, when you're approaching that bend, the single lane becoming how many? 2 lanes
2
over
lanes,
there.
yeah.
What I've been talking about for last few lessons. So when the single lane become 2 and they both have got a straight arrows,
You stay to the left.
we stay to the left.
Yeah.
Because the instruction you were giving that go for the road ahead.
Yep.
Did I say to you go to the right?
Nope.
No.
I knew what I did straight away.
So we should be staying into the left hand.
Stay in the left.
Now, anybody watching this is going to be a very good example what Scott obviously did. Now you got two options there. You go forward, and obviously if it's safer to move over to the left lane. But what if it's not safe? What would you do then?
It was very busy.
That's what the Scott did. So we go around and we to the 7th exit. So you just go around, count the exits, and then come back and take the services. That will be a safer option for you in that scenario. In fact, examiner will be very happy that you have used your initiative. Yeah. So would you okay with that?
Yes, fine.
Any confusion with that?
No, I knew what I did straight away.
It's a good learning experience, isn't it? Okay. Right. So let's drive off again whenever you are ready.